Have you ever been at a gas station, caught a whiff of gasoline, and thought to yourself, why does this smell so good? It's a strange reaction, isn't it? We know gasoline is toxic, something we should avoid breathing in on purpose. And yet, there's something about that smell that feels oddly enticing. To understand why gasoline smells so unique, let's break down what's actually in it. Gasoline isn't just one substance. It's a complex mix of hydrocarbons derived from crude oil. But one of the biggest players in this mix, the one largely responsible for that familiar scent, is a chemical called benzene. Benzene is what chemists call an aromatic hydrocarbon, a fitting term since it has a sweet, almost pleasant smell, and it's incredibly potent. Just a few parts per million in the air can leave a strong impression on our noses. Back in the day, gasoline contained even higher levels of benzene than it does today. If you think gas smells strong now, imagine what it must have smelled like in the 1950s or 60s. For people who grew up around these old stations, that smell became ingrained in their memories. Benzene helped improve gasoline's octane rating, making engines perform better. But while it's valuable for cars, it also leaves a lasting impact on our senses. So why do we find the smell of gasoline appealing, even though we know it's dangerous? Part of it comes down to our memories and sensory associations. Our brains are incredibly good at linking smells to emotions, especially if we've encountered them over and over. For many, the scent of gasoline recalls family road trips, the thrill of travel, or memories of fixing up cars with loved ones. Those memories can make the smell of gasoline comforting, even though logically we know better. Our brains are wired to remember those nostalgic, positive associations, making us view the scent in a strangely comforting way. But it's not just about nostalgia. Science shows that chemicals like benzene can have a mild euphoric effect. Breathing in gasoline vapors can cause a slight, temporary feeling of lightheadedness or even euphoria. Now, to be clear, this is a dangerous chemical, and exposure to benzene is harmful, but our brains may still react to it with a subtle sense of pleasure. Of course, this is absolutely not a good thing. Inhaling benzene vapors is risky and can lead to serious health issues. So please enjoy the smell only as an incidental experience. So why does gasoline smell so good? It's a perfect combination of chemistry, memory, and a dash of sensory illusion. The benzene in gasoline gives it that signature sweet aroma our brains associate it with positive memories. And on a subtle level, we might even feel a touch of euphoria. Ultimately, it's one of those odd quirks of life. Something that's technically bad for us can still seem incredibly appealing. Now, next time you're at a gas station, maybe you'll appreciate that distinctive smell just a little bit more, though of course only from a safe distance.